Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get unlimited coins in DramaBox in 2026. So let's open up DramaBox, and as you can see, we only have 780 coins, but when I press this button, I can actually turn on unlimited coins. So I'm going to press unlock right here, and as you can see, it is going up. So let's wait for this to load, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So as you can see, it says committing entitlement and all this shit. Who cares? Who cares? But guys, there's going to be something happening. So as you can see, it says finalizing and the coins should start going up. So, oh my gosh, it actually works. Bro, what the heck? So I'm going to show you guys how to get rich on the DramaBox. So let's get straight into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So what we need to do is, of course, download the DramaBox mod. So to get that, we're just going to go onto the website tweakmod.com. So once you're in this website, guys, just type in DramaBox, find it, press install. And before this downloads, by the way, there's going to be a verification. So we're just going to download two apps. Follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app store. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. So it's very easy, but let's just wait for it to load. So as you can see, guys, it is loading up right now. So I'm just going to let it load. But yeah, so there is this last step, which is the verification, where you have to download the two apps, but I'm going to show you how to do that. So as you can see, it says missing files. So you just want to download some of these. So we got like Travel Town, which says install and reach level 9. So it's like a game. So just press continue, takes me to the App Store, and just got to play through it until I reach level 10. So I can't tell you what to do, but this is a good one to do. It's pretty fun. Some of them are not games though, so I just want you to bear that in mind. Some of these are going to be apps. So yeah.